For more than 2 decades, East Capital has recognized companies across its investment universe that embody progress and innovation in emerging and frontier markets. The prestigious East Capital Awards honor organizations distinguished by their growth, governance, and pioneering achievements. In 2025, the awards showcase the diversity and strength of emerging and frontier markets, highlighting standout companies. We are proud to present this year's winners across 4 categories: Best IPO, Discovery of the Year, Best Growth, and Best Corporate Governance. Mexico has emerged from a difficult 2024 firing on all cylinders, returning 48% in US dollars year to date, thanks to Claudia Sheinbaum, President of Mexico, and her deft handling of President Donald Trump and the tariff pressure, as well as shifting rate expectations. As in any country, we look for underpenetrated areas of the economy, and university education is a clear example, with only 36% of Mexicans entering higher education compared with the 51% average as per the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development.
The 2025 East Capital Corporate Governance Award of the Year goes to Laureate Education.
Congratulations, I think it's highly well deserved.
Thank you, David, to you and East Capital for recognizing Laureate. It means a lot to all of us.
Can you talk us through how your sort of capital allocation framework has evolved over the last few years and sort of what the motivations were behind that?
Yeah, no, sure. The motivation was really to right-size Laureate and deliver results for all stakeholders, students, faculty, staff, and of course, shareholders. And if you look at the history of Laureate, we were a global higher education company. It was hugely complex, and we experienced negative scale in our operations, just given the complexity. So the learning from those early years was that higher education is a beautiful business when we're operating in large countries, where we have the leading brands, and where there are constructive regulatory conditions. That enabled us to significantly enhance the growth rate and the innovation in the countries that we did participate in. And we took the operating margins from the mid to high teens to over 30%, and we converted free cash flow from negative $160 million per year in 2017 to this year approximately positive 250 million. And our commitment going forward is to continue to convert 50% of our EBITDA to free cash flow to be returned to shareholders. And that will be after providing sufficient capital to continue to be the leading operator of higher education in Mexico and Peru, through growing new campuses, to investing in digital and AI-enabled learning tools.